This channel generated $7,000 in a month, and this channel made around $70,000 in just 1 month. What if I told you that you can easily create all these videos within minutes using AI technology? In the past, creating a video like this required manual scene selection, meticulous editing, and manual captions. However, thanks to the power of AI, you can now get all of this done within minutes with a text-to-video tool. Let me introduce you to the best AI-powered platform that can easily turn your script into a compelling video.
Pictory AI is a platform that offers a free trial. With this free trial, you can create 3 video projects, each up to 10 minutes long. Pictory AI is a very versatile text-to-video tool that offers a number of features. You can use it to create a video with just one script or convert any online article into a video. It also allows you to edit videos with just text. In addition, it also provides an image-to-video converter that can turn any image or video you have into a full-fledged video. But before we dive in, I want to take a moment to express my appreciation for your time and attention. Creating these videos takes a lot of effort, so if you find the information helpful, please consider leaving a like and a comment below. Your support means a lot to me. Now start exploring this amazing platform. Step 1. Register and log into your Pictory AI account. The platform link is available at the end of this video description. You can register and log in with your email or Gmail account. Step 2. Convert text to video. Let's focus on the script-to-video feature. Start by typing your video title and then write or paste your script. For example, you can create a script using ChatGPT, such as, "Make me an article about what happened right after the dinosaurs went extinct." Copy and paste the script into Pictory AI. Before creating a video, you can customize some settings. The Auto Highlight feature automatically emphasizes important words in your script, helping the AI find the right video footage. You can also highlight specific words manually. Another setting is Automatic Image Selection, which allows the AI to select videos based on your script. Finally, you can choose when to create a new scene, when to break sentences, break lines, or both. Next, choose a template from the many templates provided by Pictory AI. Pay attention to how the subtitles look and choose the subtitle that best suits your video. Then select the desired resolution, such as 16:9 for YouTube videos. You will be taken to edit mode where you can modify the scene, sections, captions, and images as needed. If you don't like any of the AI selected videos, you can manually select another video. There are plenty of customization options available, including the ability to add AI voices from Pictory AI's collection. Now, let's see the finished video part.
The extinction of the dinosaurs, which occurred approximately 66 million years ago, marks a significant turning point in Earth's history. While the demise of these mighty creatures is widely attributed to an asteroid impact, what transpired in the aftermath has captivated the curiosity of scientists for decades. Join us as we embark on a journey through time to explore the fascinating events that unfolded right after the dinosaurs went extinct. The impact event and its aftermath. The catastrophic event that wiped out the dinosaurs is believed to have been triggered by the impact of a massive asteroid or comet near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The colossal impact caused widespread devastation, leading to a sudden global climate change, and resulting in the extinction of not only dinosaurs but also numerous other species, including marine life and vegetation. The immediate aftermath of the impact was characterized by a worldwide environmental upheaval.
These are the best AI-powered tools for creating text-to-video content. Now you can easily create an anonymous YouTube channel and start earning. Don't make excuses anymore. Get started now. Thank you so much for watching. Do you want to learn more about AI? Look no further than the How to X AI channel. Our channel offers free and informative content on everything AI related, from beginner-level introductions to advanced tutorials and updates on the latest AI developments. By subscribing to our channel, you will have access to a wealth of knowledge and updates on the latest AI trends. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Subscribe to How to X AI channel today.